only a personal item, 18 days, 3 different countries. Let's start off with what I'm actually going to be using to carry all of the things, right? Because normally I use my Venture Pal backpack, but this time we have a new backpack, the Goto Backseat 32 liter. This is the first time I'm going to actually be using this backpack for a trip. I used it when I came back from the US to Portugal, but obviously that time it wasn't for a trip, right? I was just bringing what I needed, like laptop and basics on the plane. So this will be the first time that I'm going to be using it for this. And I'm so excited because, as you know, I've mentioned so many times, I needed a backpack that had a bottom strap, and this one has that. So this is exactly what I've been looking for. Compass Rose packing cubes. It's a little 4-pack. So I will be using them to actually pack everything that I'm going to be taking and use them for this trip. I'll show you everything and how I put it in once I do. What am I actually bringing? Shirts. I'm going to be bringing 4 shirts, I believe it is. I wanted to have a little bit of variety in colors. So I'm using a yellow, pink, a white shirt, and then a red and black tank top. So these are 5 shirts that I'm going to be coordinating with the bottoms I'm going to bring. So we have some like tan, like loose pants, which I absolutely love. If you follow me on Instagram, you've definitely seen that I've put up so many photos with those, or I just use them often. Plain black skirt, because then I can use that with anything, and it's pretty airy, which is nice, and it's not so heavy, so it's light. This has been one of my favorite pants this summer so far because they're colorful, they're fun, they're vibrant, and they're so light, which is nice because it's like I don't get burnt, but then I also don't get anything too sticky, right? And then at least a pair of shorts. So that on the clothes front. Dresses. I am taking dresses. I'm gonna take this nice dress. I just bought it. I haven't used it yet, and I'm hoping to maybe get some nice pictures with it. I'm gonna take this dress, which I like. It's light. It doesn't take up much space, but it's like nicely colored. It's perfect for summer in Europe. And this dress is fun. I haven't used this dress in a while, so excited to bring it back. As you know, I love to reuse clothes a lot and I don't really throw things out often, so I'm bringing this one back for this as well, which may or may not stay in Budapest. I'm not 100% sure. We will see. I also recently bought it before coming back to Portugal, so I would love to take some photos with it. So we're gonna see if I do end up taking all these dresses. I'm not 100% sure because I feel like that might be a little bit much because I'm going for, I believe, 2 weeks and like 2 days. I can make so many outfits with this, but we'll see if I actually end up needing all of it. And then obviously 2 bathing suits because it's hot, and I don't know if you can tell right now, but I'm sweating, and I'm going to be doing water activities in Slovenia because I need to escape this heat. And then this cute 2-piece that I bought in Evora when I was still living there. Now I'm going to pack these in here and see everything that I actually will take because I think this might be a little bit too much. Let's actually pack. So we're going to start with one of the packing cubes. So we have dress, 1, 2, 3, 4 shirts, because the 4th shirt I will be using on the plane when I leave today. I will not be wearing this dress nor taking it. And there we have it. All of the clothes that I will be taking on this trip fit into these 3 packing cubes. In my regular day-to-day, I love using this backpack because it fits my water, it fits all of the things that I need, like my chargers and things like that. So I want to take this with me, but because I'm only flying personal item, I can't take 2 things. So before making this video, I saw that this does fit in here. So I'm planning to put as many packing cubes as I can to fit here and then to go in here. So that way I can bring both the things that I need, or all of the things that I need, without having to pay more. Everything is packed, and I have 2 of these packing cubes in the backpack. We are going to actually fit everything in here. So there's a few things I'm not going to be able to show now, like the tripod and a few toiletries I still have to grab to put in, but to at least show you the capacity of this backpack and why I love it, and the reason really why I got it. So first we're going to do the backpack in the backpack. I'm going to try and put this all together so they're nice and easy to slide in. I know it's going to make it bulkier, but it really doesn't even look like it's that bulky. Oh my god, this backpack is great. There we go. And it doesn't even look like it's that full or anything, but this is going to be the bulk of the things. Obviously still missing laptop, toiletries, water bottle, and then sandals that are going to be coming on this side. But aside from that, they look pretty ready to go. At the end, I will be showing you everything that I took and that I didn't wear, so make sure to stay to the end to unpack with me and subscribe for future videos. I'm officially back from my almost 3-week trip around Central Europe, and now it's time to show you everything that I took with me but that I didn't use. I'm pretty excited to say that the one thing I did not use on this trip was actually only my bucket hat, and I love this one because it's a reversible. So like one side is lemons and everything, it's fun, the other side is black, so depending on what I want to wear it with. But yeah, I actually didn't use it, surprisingly. Normally it's something I would use to wear maybe at the beach or something like that to avoid, you know, too much sun, but I actually didn't use that. Everything else that I took with me, I used. And for this trip, this is actually the first time I've used the Compass Rose packing cubes. These are like the carry-on sized ones, and they were perfect. Like in my Cotopaxi 32 liter, I was able to fit 4 of them. So when I was traveling around Slovenia, I actually used the backpack. Like I didn't have to put this backpack in the other backpack. I was able to just use it in front. I actually used my boyfriend's Quechua one, which was like a little smaller than this one, and so it was like really lightweight, but I like carried that one in the front while I used the Cotopaxi one in the back. Surprisingly, this one was able to fit 2 of the Compass Rose packing cubes like fully packed, and then the other 2 I kind of like put on top. So when I went to Budapest, I put the backpack like in like this straight down, and I felt like it was kind of hard to fit everything else that I wanted to. But I learned on the way back that I should really put it in sideways, and that way I was able to fit everything in a lot more comfortable, and it wasn't like so squished to the top. So I only really bought one thing while I was there. Yeah, one thing. And it's something that my family and I, we do when we travel places. So let me show you. We got a magnet, so a Slovenia magnet, because this was the only country that was new to me on this trip, and this magnet was actually $3.90. So I feel like magnets have got more expensive over time, but I feel like it kind of covers everything, a little bit of the whole country, so I decided to add that to the collection. But that is everything that I packed with me, with only a personal item, 18 days, 3 different countries. Budapest was the only city I was in Hungary. Slovenia, I went to 5 different cities. I already have a couple blog posts up, so you can go ahead and check them out. I'm going to link them in the description. And then I also went to Trieste in Italy. So 3 countries, 1 backpack, 18 days. It's doable. Let's see where I go next.